This video will guide you through how to use Get 3D Mapper. From obtaining a license to creating a project, building a model, and viewing the results. After downloading, installing, and launching the software, you will see the License Center interface. To use Get 3D Mapper, you need to activate a license. There are two types of licenses, a trial license and an official license. Each new user automatically receives a trial license after registering an account. The trial is valid for 30 days from activation and allows to process up to 5,000 photos per project, with no limit on the number of projects or available features. An official license is purchased and has no limit on the number of photos. There are two ways to activate a license: online activation and offline activation. Online activation. Log into your Get 3D account. Refresh the interface to see the license list. Select the license you want to activate. Click Activate, and you can use the software. Offline activation. Copy or export your machine code. On an internet-connected device, visit the Get 3D website. Log into your account's License Center. Select the license you want to activate. Click Generate. Upload your machine code. Then generate and download the license file. Back on the device you want to bind. Open Get 3D Mapper. Import the license file. Click Activate to use software. During the license validity period, you don't need to log in again or reactivate. Next, we'll show you how to build a model with Get 3D Mapper. Create project first. After creating the project, import photos. Add the photo folder. Read pose information. There are two ways to read poses for photos: by reading EXIF information or by importing a pose file. Read EXIF information. Select multiple photo groups. Right-click and select Read EXIF. After reading successfully, click OK. Import pose file. After importing the photos, select one or multiple photo groups and right-click. Select the pose file. Click on the photo group. The pose settings interface will display the pose information. Select the correct coordinate system. If your pose file contains angle information, click More Settings and select the angle definition. Then select the corresponding fields for each column. Click Apply to Group. Select the photo group to apply the pose to. After it succeeds, click OK to proceed to the next step. Apply the block. Before processing, start the local engine. Submit aerial triangulation. If the photos don't have the camera information, you need fill in the sensor size and focal length. Apply the information. Submit AT. Check the tie points and camera position in the 3D view. Create a new 3D reconstruction. Select the Output Coordinate System. Change the tile size as needed. Submit production. Select the model format. Select tiles to process. Then submit it. After finish, check the model in 3D view. Where you can open the 3D model and get 3D viewer directly. You can now register your own Get 3D account and start building your own models. Thank you for watching.